There is an electrostatic series. In that series, there are few substances. The former one, if we rub them together, the former one in that series will get positively charged and the latter one will get negatively charged. And the series is glass, then it is one flannel, wool, silk, metal, hard rubber, wax, resin or plastic, sulfur. This is the electrostatic series. If we rub any two substances together, then the former in that series will get positively charged and other one will get negatively charged. Okay. Suppose we are rubbing a glass rod with wool, then what happens? Glass will be glass and wool. Okay. Rub, then what happens? Glass will be positively charged. This will be positively charged and wool will be negatively charged. Another example, if we rub silk with plastic rod, then what happens? Silk will be positively charged and this plastic rod will be negatively charged. Okay, so there are few substances experimentally that was found earlier days that this happens. Okay, when যখন সবে সবে চার্জ সম্বন্ধে মানুষ ধারণা করতে শুরু করলো, সো এই ঘটনাগুলো সেই সময় দেখা গিয়েছিল। আচ্ছা, তো এখান থেকে চার্জ সম্বন্ধে কিছুটা আইডিয়া মানুষ পেতে শুরু করেছিল। How do we know that whether a matter or substance is charged or uncharged? Okay, there is a device called gold leaf electroscope. This device in earlier days, it used to tell whether a matter is charged or uncharged. Whether a matter is charged or uncharged, we come to know using electroscope. Okay, electroscope, how does it looks like? Electroscope, there is a metal plate. This is made of metal, and with this plate a metal rod is attached. At this end of the rod there are very thin two foils, okay, are attached. These are made of gold. In earlier days, gold is a metal which can be molded in whatever shape they want. So this foil were made of gold. Okay, acha, and this arrangement is kept inside a it is a glass cover. These are gold leaf. আচ্ছা, যাতে কোনো রকমের এয়ার ডিস্টারবেন্স না হয় সেই জন্য এটাকে একটা গ্লাস কভার পরিয়ে রাখা হয়। ওকে, whether a body is charged or uncharged. Suppose this is a charged body. We bring this body to this and make a contact. এটাকে নিয়ে এসে এটার সাথে কন্ট্যাক্ট করা হলো। কি হবে? When we make a contact between these two, charge will flow. Okay, and as this is made of metal, this is made of metal, charge will flow through this and it will also flow to the gold leaf. And as these leaves are very thin, very light, what happens? Both of the leaf get positive charge and like charges repel each other. So what happens? These two gold leaf will go away from each other due to the repulsion. This, and that proves that that body was charged. Okay. So this is the gold leaf electroscope. Next we will study about electron theory. Where does the charges come from? To find out that what they did actually, they hammered the matter, hammering process. That means হাতুড়ি দিয়ে ম্যাটারটাকে ব্রেক করা। তো একটা ম্যাটারকে ভেতরে কি আছে দেখার জন্য প্রথমে এটাকে হাতুড়ি দিয়ে মারা হলো, মানে ব্রেক করা হলো, জাস্ট ব্রেক করা হলো। ব্রেক করতে 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 আলটিমেট যেগুলো পাওয়া যায় সেটা হচ্ছে মলিকিউল। সেটাকে যদি ব্রেক করি তাহলে পরে যেটা পাবো সেটা হচ্ছে অ্যাটম। এবার অ্যাটম সব থেকে, দিস ইজ দি স্মলেস্ট পার্টিকেল ফাউন্ড। পরে গিয়ে অ্যাটমটাকেও টুকরো করে দেখা গেল, তার ভেতরে অ্যাটমের ভেতরে ছোট 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 পার্টিকলস রয়েছে, ইলেকট্রনস, protons, neutrons. Okay, these electrons, they are negatively charged and the protons inside the nucleus are positively charged. Okay, so electron theory te first bola hoyeche electrons are negative charges and protons are positive charges. So in each and every matter there are negative charges electrons and positive charges protons. Acha, but matter is, or the substance or the body is neutral because of equal number of protons, equal number of positive and equal number of electrons, that is negative charges. Electron theory, the next line will be positive and negative charges are equal in number. Positive and negative charges are equal in number in every body. During rubbing, matters exchange electrons. It is the electrons which moves, not protons. Okay, negative charge moves. যখন রাব করা হয় তখন একটা বডি থেকে আরেকটা বডিতে ইলেকট্রনস মুভ করে। যে বডিতে ইলেকট্রন চলে যায় সেটা নেগেটিভ, যে বডি ইলেকট্রন লুজ করে দ্যাট বিকামস পজিটিভ। সো ফোর্থ, the body gains electrons becomes negatively charged and the body which loses electrons becomes positively charged. When needed, electrons move because they are 1837 times lighter than protons. Okay, electrons are 1837 times lighter than protons, plus they reside on the outer shell of an atom, so it is easier to move. Okay, as they are lighter than protons and they reside at the outer shell, so to move outside it is easier for the electrons than the protons. Protons are much more bound inside the nucleus, whereas they are free than protons to move outside. Okay, so this is